everyone, we are BTS-A61 Electronics Technology Company. We are manufacturer and supplier of touch POS cash register. We are located in Panyu district in Guangzhou city in China. Today I want to show you this model. This model, the screen is 15.6 inch. You can see. I want to show you the screen. The screen is very fast. Okay. The material is plastic. All is plastic. You can see. It's a beautiful model. Here you can see we have one LED. It can be with BFD if you want. This is customer choice. This model don't have printer, don't have printer, don't have scanner, but you can adapt it here. So I want to show you the screen is very fast. I want to show you. We can use 5 fingers. You can see. Yeah. Very fast. Remember that we are factory. Welcome to contact us if you have any question. We have WhatsApp, WeChat, email. The main board of this model is 1900. It can be i3 or it can be i5. This is customer choose. This is 4G, 64G. It can be with more capacity. Okay, feel free to contact us if you have any question. Remember, we have WhatsApp, we have WeChat, also we have our Facebook. We make live there. Okay, welcome to contact us. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. If you want to know more about this model or about another model, just contact us. Thank you.